Adventurers, welcome. Get ready to be astounded by a novel idea that revolutionizes RV performance and attractiveness. This is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a future concept that blends the functionality of a mobile home with the unparalleled elegance of BMW design. Imagine driving down the road in a car that exudes BMW's distinctive sporty and elegant atmosphere. It would have beautifully flowing aerodynamic body lines, the recognizable kidney grille, and brilliant adaptive laser headlamps. A potent 6-cylinder TwinPower Turbo engine, or even a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain that provides the ideal balance of quick acceleration and remarkable fuel efficiency sits beneath this gorgeous exterior. This idea should make it fun to drive a high-end SUV rather than a full-size RV. The dashboard, a wonder of design and technology, greets you as soon as you walk in. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display that blends a touchscreen infotainment screen with a digital instrument cluster, in keeping with BMW's cockpit concept. A 5G connection, an AI-powered voice assistant, and captivating 3D navigation ensure that assistance is always accessible. In order to create a sleek and opulent appearance, premium materials like carbon fiber and vegan leather are used throughout, and intuitive haptic touch controls have largely replaced physical buttons. The inside is a comfortable and opulent haven. The design's high degree of flexibility and versatility allows you to alter the arrangement to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a large living room or a quiet workstation. The large panoramic windows on the sides of the RV provide breathtaking vistas and a plenty of natural light. Modern air filtration technology guarantees that the cabin air quality is constantly fresh and clean, and LED ambient lighting may be changed to create various moods. A secluded haven is the bedroom in the back. A memory foam mattress and premium linens are features of an opulent queen-size bed that can be automatically retracted. No matter where you are, a sound-canceling system, electrically powered smart blinds, and dimmed lighting all contribute to a good night's sleep. You may also keep your own items and clothing in a creative concealed cabinet. The bathroom's layout maximizes available space without compromising beauty. They have contemporary sinks with LED-lit mirrors, water-saving composting or vacuum toilets, and hotel-style showers with rainfall showerheads. Maximum comfort is achieved with superior waterproof materials and efficient ventilation. The kitchen, which is both aesthetically pleasing and practical, should not be overlooked. Modern conveniences including a coffee maker, built-in freezer and refrigerator, microwave, and induction cooktop are all included in its small size. There is plenty space for creative storage of all your cookware and equipment, and the counters are composed of strong, premium materials. This 2026 BMW Motorhome is an experience rather than merely a car. Are you prepared to go out on your opulent journey?